Less than an hour left for campaigning ahead of the first phase of elections, and a big controversy over Rahul Gandhi's statement, where Rahul Gandhi has brought the army into the caste politics when he said that just 10% of the population controls the army. This was during an election rally in the Kutumba constituency of Aurangabad district, where he made this remark, extremely controversial, to talk about caste in the army. He said only 10% of the country's population, indicating the upper caste, get opportunities in corporate sectors, bureaucracy, judiciary, and even the army is under their control. He said the remaining 90% of the population, that's the backward classes, Dalits, tribals, minorities, are nowhere to be seen.
500 सबसे बड़ी कंपनी के आप लिस्ट में और इसमें पिछड़ा दलित, महादलित, अल्पसंख्यक आदिवासी को ढूंढ के डाली। आपको कोई नहीं मिले, आपको एक नहीं मिलेगा। सारे के सारे 10% आबादी में से आते हैं। सारा बैंक का धन उनको जाता है, सारी नौकरियां उनको जाती है, ब्यूरोक्रेसी में उनको जगह मिलती है। आप जुडिशरी देखिए, वहां भी उनको सब मिलता है। सेना में उनका कंट्रोल और 90% आपको जो आबादी है वो आपको कहीं नहीं मिलेगी।
All right, so Rahul Gandhi there making that controversial remark on the final day of campaigning ahead of the first phase of Bihar elections, where he talked about how 10% of the country's population, talking about the upper caste, get opportunities in corporate sectors, bureaucracy, judiciary, and even the army is under their control. So the question is he advocating for reservation in the army? That he talked about how the remaining 90% of the population, backward classes, Dalits, are nowhere to be seen. Remember, for a long time, Rahul Gandhi has been advocating for social justice. He's been talking about caste and the need for a caste census, and how there has to be proportional representation based on the population in various opportunities, that this is the reason that backward castes have been held back. But this time, he has mentioned the army in the context of caste, which raises the question that does he want this sort of reservation caste breakup in the army as well? Well, let's go across to Chandan Bhardwaj for more on this latest controversy. And Chandan, so Rahul Gandhi now speaking about, he speaks about caste all the time in his rallies and about how there's a need for upliftment of backward caste. But this is the first time he's talked about, how 10% are in the army. He says, the army is controlled by that 10%, indicating the upper caste.
We need to note that when he gave this statement, where he was campaigning for Rajesh Ram, who is also the president of Bihar Congress, and the seat from where he's contesting right now is Kutumba. And this, as you have said, this is for the very first time. We have seen Rahul Gandhi doing caste politics since over past 2.5 years. But for the very first time, when he picks up the issue of the top 10% who are occupying the posters in the army, that in itself speaks that how much he's deviated from the core issues of Bihar elections. And he's trying to low down the backward caste, the EBCs. He want to add these castes into the MY Samikaran that the RJD and the Mahagathbandhan alliance is trying to form. But pointing out such statement and dragging army in a political election rally, I don't think it will be a good game for Congress. And very often from now, you'll see a number of BJP spokesperson and BJP people firing back Rahul Gandhi on what he has said, and specifically because whenever we talk about army, we do say that army is up above all these things. Politics is kept aside and army is kept aside. But dragging army into an election rally, I don't know what Rahul Gandhi has in his mind. Earlier also in a rally in Darbhanga, he mentioned something about Chhati Maiya, although it was about taking a jibe at Prime Minister. But BJP converted that whole issue into some other form, and right now also the Congress leaders are answering about what Rahul Gandhi said at that time. And I'm pretty sure that this whole thing is going to be dragged, since now the campaign for the first phase of election, that is to be held on 6th, is almost over after a few minutes. Then we'll see that this issue is going to be picked up by the BJP for the second phase, because in second phase election is predominantly in all those areas where Mahagathbandhan has a edge. We talk about that Shahabad Magad belt, we talk about the Kishanganj belt, and I think that this statement of Rahul Gandhi is going to be picked by BJP, and it might be a backlash for the Congress party. And we'll have to wait for the reaction of RJD on this whole issue also, because when Tejasvi Yadav also propagates and he says that the representation from all class of and all caste of people should be in different occupation. Do he agree by what Rahul Gandhi said is the big question that Tejasvi also needs to answer in the coming time, I think, as the campaign kicks off for the second phase and as and when it intensifies.
That's right. Chandan, thanks so much for joining us with those details.